Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holders? So Shiba Inu condition is very before I just notify you, my friend, in this video. Absolutely, I will give you 100% guarantee to if you follow my advice, what I tell you. Absolutely, if you do this, I will give you guarantee, my friends, to you will earn a lot of money in a crypto. So if you want to earn money in a crypto, now subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brothers, Shiba Inu is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, but the current condition is very critical now because very badly fails down. So therefore, after a short phase, absolutely every coin, my friends, will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, I will notify my friends to in upcoming time. There is a chance so they will get a lot of good profit now. So please, Shiba Inu holder must watch this all video to understand better now. But please, before I get started video, subscribe this channel. My brother, in this time, if you just only check out the last 24-hour chart, so what's condition, my friends, today in this time can never fails down. Yes, my friends, if you could see, this is 100% never fails down. There is not a huge jump. This is absolutely going to be garbage now. So please, my friends, if you want my friends to be safe and get a lot of money, my friends, so do this. Otherwise, you will be lost now, my friend. So my friends, Shiba Inu is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. So therefore, I hope my friends in upcoming time they will make you a millionaire now. But please remember to my friends subscribe this channel. And my prediction is going to be positive. So I hope my friends to upcoming time they will wake up. But you will need my friends to wait for a good time when they will start moving upwards. So therefore, I will notify you. Thanks for watching my viewers, my subscriber. Please remember to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.